Hello everyone, it's Hanny with a video hop this time of the Art Joy of Sharing Artists group, simply shorted as AJOS, well, AJOS Artists. And it's March, and in March they have the Mixed Media Madness video hop in which I'm participating. And well, you can read everything in the description below. You can hop through all the videos. The links are in the description below. When you have seen my video, you just hop to the next link in that video below my link, or the first link on top. I'm not sure how I do it, but like I said, the hashtag is Mixed Media Madness, and well, mixed media is using different kinds of stuff in your art, media, different kinds of media. And I thought, well, let's do a little mixed media collage in my little mixed media book, collage book, journal. In this journal I do the alphabet. I've done the A and the B, and I've done something else here, I think. Oh, it's just... that was the tribal. Oh yeah, that was the T. And now I'm going to look for the M. That's the O. The N. And this is the M. So I'm going to make a little collage spread of all kinds of scraps and thingies I have. Little papers and well, some gesso, ink, washi tape. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to collect some stuff which I want to use in the little collage. And it's all kinds of scrappy papers in here. You see, it's whatever. I put a link somewhere, I think an iCard, in which I show you how I made this little journal and why. So I'm going to collect some stuff. I'm going to speed up, and I hope you enjoy watching. And when you like my video, please go to the next one in this video hop. Enjoy!